Hello student, today we have a topic mean. We are talking about mean. Question is, what is mean? What is mean? We can say mean is also called arithmetic average. Okay, we can define it easily as sum of all items. It means that is given variables divided by their number is called mean. In other words, we can say the mean is the sum of separate scores for measures divided by their number. Okay student, now you see how to calculate mean. How to calculate mean? We can calculate mean in three series by two methods. First series is individual series. This is first one. Next, discrete series. Next, continuous series. 1, 2, 3. 3 series here given. You can calculate in each series by two method of calculation. Method of two calculation what are? Direct method. First method is direct method. Second method is shortcut method. In other words, we say it indirect methods. Okay, now see formula. Formula is given x bar. Mean denote by this x bar equals sigma x upon n. Okay, where what is x bar? X bar arithmetic mean. Sigma x sum of observations or variable or items. Any word you can say. N number of observation or items you can say this sum of observations. You can write here items. Both meaning are same. Okay, now you take a sum to calculate mean. How calculate? Now see. Here is question given. Find mean by given data. Always remember, when any time it is said find the mean by ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. In that condition, what you will do? You use individual series only, because that has ungrouped data. This series is given here. Okay. I tell you formula x var sigma x upon n. Sigma x sum of observation 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 4 upon how much item? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N. Number of items. Add this number. 2, 7, 9. 9, 6, 15. 15 and 9. 24. 8. 32. And 4. 36 upon 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36. This is answer. Okay, student. This is first time method. You can do it by table method. You can do this type also. Serial number given here and x. This value is called x. X means variables, observations, items. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 value given 2, 7, 6, 9, 8 and 4. N equal 6. Now sigma x equal sigma indicate, this sign indicate that is you have to do sum. This sign indicate you have to do sum of any value that is given. You add this. $36. Okay, student, give the formula. X var equal sigma x upon n. 36 divided by 6 1 ja 6 6 ja 36. This is answer. Okay. If you understand the lecture, subscribe the channel, like and share also. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.